Hello everyone, I'm Shravan, lead of Vcode CSI Vit-Ap. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today the topic will be exception handling. Let's go into the coding. Basically, try block and except block and finally block are there in exception handling. In try block, we write the code which we expect that it will be an error in future. So to handle that error, we write except block to manage the errors which may come in try block. Finally block is executed every time, even it is an error code or any code. It will surely execute in every time. And now let's write the code. Try. Be remember that if you write small l, then it will be a keyword, predefined keyword. So you can't use that small l. So you can use big L and write list. List equal to 5 star 0 plus 5 star of 10. Now it will create a list with elements 5 zeros and 5 tens because we are concatenating here with the plus. Now let's access one element from the list. Let's say index number 9 we have to take. Now print done for confirmation that the code is running. Now let's write the except block that if error comes, so it will handle. According to me, it may give an index error, so I wrote index error there. Now let's write print statement inside the except block so that we have confirmation that except block is running. Index out of want. Now let's write else statement so that we can confirm if there is no error, except block is not run and it will come to else block. Print. Nothing is wrong. Now let's write finally block. It will for sure execute every time whenever we run the code. Now guess the output, what would be the output, and write it in the comment box. I will be giving you 5 seconds, or you can pause the video and write it in the comment box. Now let's see the output. So the output is done, nothing is wrong, finally blocked. So done came because whenever the compiler runs, it starts from try block and executes the try block code. Here first list is created, then element is accessed, then done is printed. So done here it is printed because of that. Now let's come to except block. So it will not run because we have no index error in the try block. So it will for sure not run. So it will go to else block. Now it will go to else block and print nothing is wrong. So as I said, finally block will be run every time. So it will for sure print whatever there in the finally block. That's right, print finally block. That's why here print finally block came. So thank you everyone. Hope that you understood the concept today.